Hello everyone, hello. So I am in my mother's garden now, in her backyard garden, and I just thought that I would share a life lesson with you all that my mother taught me, and I feel like it's very much so applicable for any novice gardener, any novice farmer. Want to start out but you don't know how to start and all that. You know what, oftentimes the only thing that is holding us back is ourselves, that we are our own worst critic, that we are our biggest enemy. Now what my mother, when every time she would say that to me, it would always be when I'm thinking of, oh well, I don't know how to do this, I don't know how to do that, and she would just look at me and say, as much as you research and as much as detail oriented as you are, girl, just start. So that is my advice for all those who are watching garden videos and researching, watching other people's IG and saying, I wish I could. You can. If you can wish it, you can do it. Visualize yourself doing it and just do it. Learn while doing. That's indeed what I am doing. And I just, because I was a travel vlogger, and of course right now the Rona has shut traveling down for a little bit, so I'm just utilizing my skills to try to pay it forward, so to speak. But I encourage each and every last one of you, you can borrow my mama for 2 seconds, but I'm gonna need her back because I love my mama, but borrow her for 2 seconds and imagine my mother, which we basically look like twins, okay? Imagine her, she don't have no nose ring though. Imagine her just telling you, you are your own worst critic. Just do it. Forget all that other junk, forget all that other what ifs. Do it. And trust in the process. Trust you will learn and be better for you going out there and trying. And now something else that she would tell me, and I just thought about it and I'm going to share with y'all. Don't nothing hurt but a try. What's the worst that could happen? She would always tell me that when I wanted to ask somebody a question about something, even on jobs with promotion, worst they can say is no. And then you know how to move after that. When I tell y'all, my mama is the beast. So yes, let my mother encourage you on this day. If you're thinking about starting, just do it. Don't nothing hurt but a try. You will learn while you grow. I promise. I guarantee you, you will. There will be nothing about your garden that will be a 100% failure. It's impossible. So boo, go plant something.